In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever found yourself struggling with tracking your business expenses and ensuring that you have everything in stock to meet your customer demands, then understanding how to efficiently use purchase orders might be a game changer for you. Let's walk through this process together, and by the end of this video, you'll feel confident handling this task in your QuickBooks Online account. First, let's get started by navigating to the dashboard of your QuickBooks Online account. Here, you'll find an easy-to-use interface with several tabs and options, but today we're focusing on creating a purchase order. On the left-hand menu, click on the Expenses tab. This is your go-to section for managing all sorts of financial details related to your business. Once you're in the Expenses tab, you'll notice a section labeled Suppliers at the top of the page. Click on it, as this will take you to a list of all your current suppliers. If you've already established relationships with different vendors, they should be listed here. If not, don't worry, you can easily add a new supplier by clicking the New Supplier button on this page, which allows you to input all the necessary contact details and ensures they're integrated into your purchasing workflow seamlessly. Now, after selecting or adding your supplier, it's time to create the purchase order. At the top right corner of your window, look for the button that says New Transaction. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select the Purchase Order option. This will bring up a new window where you can enter all relevant information regarding your order. Begin by entering the supplier's name in the designated field. If you've already added them, QuickBooks will autofill their info as you type. Next, it's crucial to specify the shipping address for the goods you're ordering. This might be your company's address or a different location if you're ordering on behalf of a customer. Move on to filling in the details of each item or service you're purchasing. Carefully select the products from the list, including quantities and rates. Be as accurate as possible because this not only helps in avoiding confusion but also keeps your records precise. Additionally, you have the option to include a description for each line item, which might prove helpful for both you and your supplier. Don't forget to enter the purchase order date and any specific terms or notes that might be important for the transaction. Once all the details are in place, take a moment to review your purchase order for any possible errors. QuickBooks allows you to save or print the purchase order as needed. After saving, you can email it directly to your supplier or simply keep it saved for future reference. Congratulations, you've now created a purchase order in QuickBooks Online. It's a simple yet powerful tool for keeping your business organized and your inventory well managed. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.